Hello, beautiful soul. How's it going today? So today I just want to talk about a little bit about light workers. So for those who don't know what a light worker is a worker of the light. Basically, a world is a mix of two things, right? We live in a world of duality. We live in a world of darkness and light. Light cannot live without darkness. Darkness cannot live without light, right? So and darkness is just an absence of light. Basically, the real truth is just pretty much light. But in a world in the duality, like I said, right, we live it with both extremities, both poles, right? So let's be honest, right? I always talk about positivity and and everything. And some people might think like, well, so if you're all about positivity all the time, right, and that's what spirituality is about, then you're just denying the bad things that are happening in the world. And that's completely untrue. That's not true at all. What happens with us light workers is that there's darkness in the world. And we light workers, we're workers of the light. We bring the light into the world. We shine our inner light, the light of the universe, right, all around us, to try to spread joy and happiness despite whatever bad things may be happening in the world. Yeah, sure, it's good to expose some stuff once in a while, right? But at the same time, you want to stay positive and keep a positive outlook in general. Okay, you want to keep your smile despite the darkness that may be happening in the world. So we live in a pretty dark world. pretty dark world lately, especially in the past 2 years, okay? And that's when we, us light workers, come into the picture. We're here to shed light to those souls that are lost. We're here to bring the light back and to remind people that there's not only just darkness, that there is light, and that hope is never lost, and that happiness can always be there. Happiness is always there. It's only a state of being. You decide if you become happy or not. Your outside circumstances don't dictate how you feel inside. If you put the blame on outside circumstances while you're feeling bad, that's on you. That's your choice. It is always a choice to be happy or to not be happy. Yeah, sure, bad circumstances may happen to you and you may be down for a day or two. As long as you don't let this darkness envelop completely your whole being and haunt you forever. It's all part of the duality of this world, the yin and the yang, order and chaos. So try to balance it. Try to be in the middle of that yin and yang. Try to be balanced and centered and not let all of this turmoil, all of this agitation that is happening in the world affect you too much. Be in your power, be in your own center of consciousness, and do not let outside powers, outside external forces affect you. Keep shining bright, keep being the love you absolutely are, and keep spreading your truth, your light, your happiness everywhere around you. Okay? So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share this message today. So have an absolutely gorgeous and wonderful day and stay blessed. Love you.